Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. So that's been said, let's get started. Finally, Windows 11 is officially here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 for free. Before that, you need to check whether your PC can run Windows 11 or not. For that, you have to download official software from Microsoft website that will check your PC health, whether your PC can run Windows 11 or not. For that, just open your browser and search for PC Health Checker tool. You can also open the link from Microsoft.com where you will find all the download options regarding PC Health Checker, or else you can also use aka.ms get PC Health Checker apps. You can simply click on this link and it will download an PC Health Checker software for your Windows 10 computer. Just open this software. And here you can see here we have our PC Health Checker. Now to check whether your PC can run Windows 11 or not, simply click on check now. And here you can see this PC meet Windows 11 requirement. If you want to see all result, click on all result and here you will find all the fulfilled requirement. Now I know that my PC can run Windows 11. Now let me upgrade my Windows 10 to Windows 11. For that, go to Windows Update section and check for Windows Update. If your PC can run Windows 11, here you will find update option. Simply update your Windows 10 to Windows 11. And after that, simply restart your computer. If you're not getting Windows 11 update option on update section, then you can follow the official website from where you can download Windows 11 installation assistant. For that, open your browser and visit this link. Don't worry about the link. You will get the link in the description box. Here you will find a lot of options to install Windows 11 on your Windows 10 PC. First one is Windows 11 installation assistant. Second one is you can create Windows 11 installation media, or else you can also download Windows 11 ISO file. The simplest way to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 is by using Windows 11 installation assistant. For that, simply click on this download option. It will download Windows 11 installation assistant. Just run this Windows 11 installation assistant and upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 for free. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.